Alright guys, we are doing a departure from Changi Airport here in Singapore. This is Terminal 2, departing on Singapore Airlines. So, we will go over here to Singapore Airlines and do a departure. Let's see here. Singapore. Terminal 2, row 3 is business class. Alright. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we're going to the departure gates here. So we'll see how it goes. And we're in the airport. So check-in was real smooth. Even if you weren't flying business, it's still like an e-check-in. Use those automated scanners, check in your bags, and then not much of a wait to actually drop off. So now we're just kind of chilling here. See what they got in this airport. If you were doing a transfer, you could get the SkyTrain to Terminal 3 from here. Let's see, I'm on F42. But they've got lounges, which is where I'm going now. Okay. Yeah, I mean, from check-in to this point took 5 to 10 minutes. So I have departed from this airport many times. And instead of showing up 3 hours early, I showed up 2 hours early. Oh, the lounges are over here. Oh boy. So I'm far away from the lounges. You guys always ask about duty free. Well, there's duty free right here. Is that Singapore dollars? 286 thing? It's expensive. It's an expensive bottle. But it's tax free, you know. Anyways, here we are going to the lounge. I was joking around with the lady. I said, "Oh, where's the lounge?" She's like, "Go that way." And I said, "How many hours?" Because as you know, especially Terminal 2, very big. So Silver Chris Lounge, that's where I'm headed. Alright, well, I apologize I didn't film in the lounge. I don't like to walk around with a camera in there. But, yeah, I just had one beer. I really enjoy arriving here just 2 hours before the flight. I used to arrive 3 hours before the flight here, but it was just too much time at the airport. Don't get me wrong, if it's your first time, nice airport, explore it, but it's my 30th time to this airport, so I only need 2 hours here. I'd rather be out in town, riding my bike, eating wonton noodle, getting a foot massage, something like that, out in town. You only need 2 hours before arrival here. Seriously. You could probably even get away with like arriving an hour and a half before. I wouldn't push it beyond that, but yeah, so now we're gonna make the same walk that I was just walking, and I'll pick up when I get to that point where I stopped before. Alright. You know, one of the things that this airport does for me is that it like inspires me to travel the world. Definitely when I come to this airport, I get the travel bug to go to many different places. Alright, look at this. Look at these koi fish here. Are they goldfish or koi fish? The zoo here is one of the best zoos. Alright. So I stopped at the currency exchange place there, and they don't have anything less than 1,000. So you basically have to have a minimum amount in order to get 1,000 Thai baht. I had about 38 Sing, which is not enough to get 1,000 Thai baht, probably because of exchange rate fees. There's a snooze lounge over here. Alright, so I'm going to F44. Where's F44? It said F42. So where's F44? Where's F44? I don't understand. I feel like... Where's F44? This is crazy. It goes from F31 to F42. Alright. Actually, I just checked. It's F42, not F44. It must be down here at the very end. They're probably going to be boarding right when we get there, or letting us into security check, because they actually do security check at the gate. They don't do it before the gate. Or I should say they don't do it after baggage claim or baggage check. It's typically when they do security. After you check the baggage, then you go security check, then you do immigration.
Mind your step. Mind your step.
Wow, this is going to be a long walk. I have no idea. Alright. So this is one of those long walks. I thought I was in a good situation, but I guess I wasn't. Oh boy. I'm a bit worried here. This is actually underestimation on my behalf. Such a huge airport. Maybe this hall's not as big as the other ones. Oh, maybe it's not that bad. Okay. I've been in this airport before. It's quite bad. If you guys watch this channel often, you guys probably saw what happened in Istanbul and what happened in Doha. If you haven't watched those videos, you should search the channel and look for our Doha and Istanbul videos. My goodness, those airports are huge, like literally miles. Actually, today I was going to go towards Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, but seeing posts online where they had like immigration hall issues, like 5 counters open, thousands of people waiting to enter, hours at a time. But they're building a brand new airport, so I'll probably just wait for Vietnam for the new airport, which I believe opens in December, but then starts welcoming commercial flights in June. So I might wait for that. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. Well, we're just waiting in the departure hall. 10 more minutes for boarding. All right, we're going for business class here. Early boarding. I guess they already boarded. I must have been sleeping. I was gonna say, I was surprised they didn't let business class board yet. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Thanks for asking. Bring across and
Okay, thank you. Hello, thank you.
Water?
Thank you, ma'am. Hello. Full 21K.
21K this way, please.
There we go, 20K. Oh, the window seat. Nice. That's good. You can watch our Singapore airport arrival next. Click right here.